What's the meaning of cheddar? Cheddar. Cheddar.
Cheddar. Cheddar. Cheddar is a type of cheese that originated in the English village of Cheddar in the 12th century. It is a hard, pale cheese that is popular all around the world and is commonly used in sandwiches, sauces, and baked dishes. The cheese is made from cow's milk and has a sharp, tangy taste that can vary in intensity depending on how long it has been aged. Cheddar cheese is widely available in supermarkets and specialty cheese shops, and comes in a variety of forms including blocks, slices, and shredded.